vegetables on confiscated vehicles in Kerala. A policeman in Kerala's Thrissur districts are growing vegetables on vehicles confiscated by them after they piled up around the compound of the police station. We got our first harvest last week. We gave the vegetables to our police canteen, an officer said. They plant lady's finger, spinach and long beans and are reportedly planning to try other vegetables too. Zoom introduced a two-factor authentication feature to secure users and prevent security breaches. It has offered a range of authentication methods such as SAML, OAuth and password-based authentication, which can be individually enabled or disabled for an account. Users also have the option of using authentication apps that have time-based one-time password like Google Authenticator and free OTP. Launches fast electric car charging in Berlin. Tesla has placed new supercharger equipment on a Berlin, Germany research campus and has said it's looking at more target cities to attract potential buyers. The V3 charger allows Tesla Model 3 cars to charge enough to travel 120 kilometers within 5 minutes. Tesla would open at least one more inner city or possibly more fast charging site in Germany in 2020. Microsoft has alleged hackers from Russia, China and Iran have been trying to attack people and groups involved in US political campaigns. It said Chinese hackers have attacked people associated with Democratic presidential candidate Joe Biden's campaign. Hackers from Iran have been attacking personal accounts of people associated with US President Donald Trump's campaign, Microsoft added. NASA is looking for private companies to collect dust and rocks from the moon's surface and sell them to it. This will be a part of technology development program that would help astronauts live off the land for future manned missions. The firm will have to provide imagery of a material and the location from which it was recovered. Has recorded its biggest one-day rise in coronavirus case as 96,551 people tested positive in the last 24 hours. With this, the number of coronavirus cases in India has risen to 45,62,414, according to Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The coronavirus death toll in the country has risen to 76,271, while 35,42,663 coronavirus patients have been discharged. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Wednesday said banks are going to be the catalyst for India's economic revival. She said that banks will ensure that every gap in the expectation of businesses which are struggling to return to normalcy is adequately addressed. She also asked banks to introspect their core lending business and focus on welfare. The Academy of Motion Pictures Arts and Science has announced new representation and inclusion standards for film to be eligible for Best Picture category. Starting from 2024, a film submitted for Best Picture will have to meet specific requirements addressing gender, race and ethnicity. The standards are designed to encourage equitable representation on and off screen, the Academy said. World Health Organization's Director General Tedros today said that around 180 vaccines are now in development across the world, including 35 that are in human trials. One therapeutic, dexamethasone, has proven effective for patients with severe and critical COVID-19 and some others are in trials. Tedros said, "No disease in history has seen such rapid development in research," he added. Amazon is seeking to hire 33,000 people in US for corporate and technical roles over the next few months, the company said in its press release. An online career fair will be conducted on September 16 to collect resumes and to provide career coaching sessions to job seekers. At last year's career fair, it had received 2 lakhs applications for 30,000 jobs. In South Dakota, you can get a driver's permit at age 14 with parental consent. Once you turn 16, you can get your license. Twin brothers aged 71 still meets once in a week. One lives in Norway, the other lives in Sweden. If you walk daily, use Step Set Go app to earn money while walking. Mary Kom lost 2 kgs weight in 4 hours to get qualified for a boxing championship. Thank you for watching. I hope this is very useful to you. Share this knowledge to your friends and family groups, and I am signing off here. Bye.